Hi, today we are gonna see about since and hence. Since. Since is commonly used as a preposition or adverb to indicate a point in time or duration starting from a particular time and continuing to the present or a specified point in the past. It is also used to introduce the reason or cause for something. Example as a preposition: I have been living here since 2010. Example as a conjunction indicating cause: since it's raining, we'll stay indoors. Hence. Hence is an adverb that means, as a consequence or, from this place or source. It is used to indicate a result, inference, or conclusion that follows logically from something previously stated or assumed. Example: he didn't study for the exam, hence, he failed. Example: the factory is relocating, hence, many employees will lose their jobs. Few sentences for since and hence. First one is: since. I have been learning Spanish since I was in high school. We haven't seen each other since last summer vacation. Since it's your birthday, we're going out for dinner tonight. She has been feeling unwell since yesterday morning. Since you finished your work early, you can help me with mine. Since I moved to the city, I've been using public transportation. We've been waiting here since noon, but the bus still hasn't arrived. Since you're interested in art, you should visit the museum with us. The company has been experiencing financial difficulties since the recession. Since the weather is nice, let's have a barbecue in the backyard. Next one is hence. The flight is delayed, hence, we'll have to reschedule our appointments. The restaurant received a lot of complaints about its service, hence, it's undergoing staff training. The alarm didn't go off, hence, I overslept this morning. The test results were inconclusive, hence, further investigation is needed. The bus broke down, hence, we had to walk to the nearest station. We're running out of supplies, hence, we need to order more soon. She missed the deadline, hence, her project wasn't considered for the competition. The road is closed due to construction, hence, we have to take a detour. The team lost the game, hence, they were eliminated from the tournament. The problem is too complex for me to solve alone, hence, I'll ask for help. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.